Time to get to work. What we have to do is to remove the duplicates from a list of integers, keeping the last occurrence of each element. More than enough test cases. Let's get started. What I want to do is to iterate over the list, but first of all, we need to create an empty list. Let's call it result. Now we can start iterating. So for integer in array, let's print the integers. Normally you go through the list from left to right, but I want to go from right to left. And you can do that with slicing like this. Then colon, and -1, and it means start at the right and go backwards through the list. So when we print them again, you see that we start with the most right character and go to the left. And now we have to do a check. So if the integer not in result, then we should append it. Let's return it. We are kind of on the right track, but we started iterating backwards through the list, so we should return the list backwards as well to get the right result. And there we go. Let's test this out. Okay, that's fine. Alternatively, you can use something else. Let me showcase that. So what we also can do is to iterate through a copy of the list and use the so-called remove method to remove duplicates. Let me write it out so I can explain what I mean. So for integer in the copy of the array, for that we use the built-in function copy. And now we have to define a conditional. If we count in the array more than one of an instance of an integer, and then we use another built-in function, namely remove, then we remove the integer from the array. Let's return the array now, and that works perfectly fine as well. I hope this video has been useful, and I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.